If you're looking to add a little color and life to your living space, and who isn't these days, then you've come to the right part of the internet. We've rounded up our 15 favorite plants, some that you've heard of and some that you definitely haven't, to spruce up your living space. While outdoor gardening can be great, it's not for everyone. Small space living leaves no space for an outdoor garden, of course, and planting outside comes with its fair share of difficulties. But most of us have at least a room or two, even if we're sharing an apartment with a window and some light to call our own. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present Top 5 Best Indoor Plants. Let's get started. Number 5. Outside Pride Salad Burnet. Expand your kitchen herb vocabulary beyond the usual parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme with this green's crisp, cool cucumber flavor. Says Martin, Sanguisorba minor is ideal for cramped spaces because it exists in a kind of suspended animation, never growing too big or tall. She gave the plant a dreamy yet practical home by lining a bird's nest with plastic and setting it on a cake platter to watch rogue water droplets. Number 4. Juniper procumbens nana. This evergreen ground cover is a landscape staple, but Juniperus procumbens nana can also thrive in the living room. The juniper sends down serious roots, so the trick is to find a container that allows them to stretch. Repurpose a 2-foot-tall industrial cylinder with a drainage hole at the base. Number 3. Calamondin citrus plant. It may be small, but it sure is mighty. This tree plant produces fragrant fruits, which you can harvest and use to make jams and other treats. Gift this to the home canner in your life and they'll return the gesture with jam for years to come. Plants range from 15 to 22 inches tall and 6 to 8 inches wide. Number 2. Shop Succulents Jade Plant. Succulents such as the popular Crassula ovata, known as jade plant, lucky plant, or the money tree, are perfect for indoor plant newbies. They're extremely durable, need very little water, and remain green all year long. They'll also live for years and years, making them a great first friend. About the product commonly known as jade plant, friendship tree, lucky plant or money plant, small pink or white flowers, prefers the sun, water. When dry. Native to South Africa, you will receive one plant in a 4-inch pot. Number 1. Shop Succulents Air Plants. These beauties, which come in more than 600 varieties, can grow practically anywhere. They don't need soil, just an occasional spritz of water from a spray bottle. Display them on a shelf, in a shell, or, as shown at the top of this story, in a bowl. You can even attach them to a wreath. Live air plants of different species, hand-selected. Each plant may vary from pictures shown as plants are hand-selected based on season, size, and readiness. Spritz air plants with water every 1 to 2 days, or fill bowl with water and float air plants in the water for 20 to 60 minutes every week. Turn upside down so excess water can drain away. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.